Hello guys, welcome to my second part of Randha waterfall. So in last part we saw the waterfall from sideways, and now we are going ahead. This is a small kind of bridge thing which I am walking on. So and there's behind you can see that Randha waterfall. And no, you can't see now. It's behind that. So we are just walking through this small bridge. It's nice. See scenery around. Small wooden bridge. Yeah. So you just have to walk along this bridge. It's my mom, by the way. You can see must be there. So we are walking. Now you can see the waterfall. Now it's again started raining, and when I shoot my friends, it's raining a lot. My phone will go down. I will show you the waterfall. There's the waterfall. You see the waterfall. Okay, you saw the waterfall. And there's a Gorpada Devi Mandir. Okay then. हाँ नहीं हो रहा नहीं इतने से कुछ नहीं आता इतने से कुछ देखो. Okay, so my father was very much worried. What if my phone gets damaged due to rains? And his worry is also right. So that's a waterfall wanted to show you guys. Okay, then time to see you off. Thank you for being with me. Bye bye. See ya. And this is the Bhandardara. It's a Monday.